Jesus Freak here. So, I'm noticing some new familiar faces I've seen elsewhere around YouTube. So, I'm sure there's some people wondering, why haven't I seen you doing your usual walk? Like, how probably every 2, 3 days I usually take a walk up the street to the store and film a video for no real reason and just to do something. And I haven't done that in a while. I know. Well, haven't had to go to the store in a while as a result of doing some extreme stockpiling. About a week ago and a couple weeks ago. So, I don't really need to go. Maybe in a couple days. Well, I think a couple days would be Sunday, so not a couple days. So, I've been slowly working on replacing the server that got messed up. I don't have to worry about the hardware. That's rented. But since I had to start from scratch, lost a few things. I figure, first things to put up, worry about the HTTPS stuff, which is not really my wheelhouse, but I mostly figured it out. The same basic way I did it on the old server, same basic way I'm doing it on the other server. And I had a backup of the KJV page, which I've been working on trying to do a replacement for it and spend some videos about that. And I still haven't finished it because it's going to require some JavaScript knowledge that I don't really have. Or at least some CSS, I think, that I don't know. But the server's set up. The old page, I had everything but the banner graphic. So I had to make a new banner graphic. All I had to go by was I remembered a few things about what it was. The code said it was 750 by 150, so I made it 750 by 150. I remembered it being a title in gold on top of a sepia-ized picture of an open Bible. And that's what I did again. Not the same Bible, although I have the same Bible. I don't think it's on the shelf here, though. I think it's still in the other room. The old picture that I used was, I believe, a black bonded leather NKJV that I've since replaced the cover on. I didn't feel like hunting it down, and besides, a new King James for a KJV page kind of weird. But, it's what I had at the time, and I didn't have a very good camera then either. As it so happens, and I proved this with a video that I never released. These Samsung phones have good speakers and good microphones. Much better than the phone I'm currently using as a phone. And it's why I need to, well, I don't need to, but it's why I'm looking to get another phone like what I'm shooting this on now. New enough to do 5G. We'll focus on it's got a good camera, it's got good speakers, good microphone. Even if it might be, well, it'd be more expensive, it'd be secondhand to make up for it. I don't see a need to buy new. I buy new sometimes in emergencies and get ripped off. So, I got the Bible parts of my site up. And I had to rebuild the one for my own translation. I did it crudely. As it happened, the site itself had mirrors of itself on there. But the Wayback Machine only got the front page. Nothing else. So I had to reconstruct it from the source code from the print edition, which is about half a version ahead, but I didn't put it to print because I still think it needs work. It's hard being a perfectionist when you're not really capable of doing what you really want. Like, I really need to try to put together proper websites, especially for the stuff I do on Sunday mornings. Like, it's not that I don't know how to do it. It's that I don't know what to put there. Might need to brainstorm with other people. It's like, most of the people I talk to outside of YouTube, they're not the types that could, even if they wanted to, help with something like this. Well, I guess where I'm at right now is better than nothing. Jesus, freak out.